Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about something super useful in Python, that is typecasting. If you ever needed to change a number into a string or a string into a number, that's typecasting. Let's break it down nice and easy, and by the end you will be a pro at it. Let's go. Typecasting means changing the type of a value into another type. For example, changing a number into a string or a float into an integer. Let's say you have this number. You can change it into a string like this. Let's say we need to make a variable called str underscore num, and put a equal sign and type str at a set of parentheses. Between the set of parentheses, write num. Now our variable called str underscore number is 5. It is a string, not a number anymore. Let's look closer at string. This changes any value into a string. So type a equal 42 and I will type a print statement add a set of parentheses and type str again add a set of parentheses. Between this I'll type a and let's check. Oh, there's a wait, there's an error on here. Oh, there's a space in the front. Then let's refresh it. Oh, this is our output 42 and this is not a number, this is a string. So let's say we have a variable called b equal, and let's add a decimal number 3.14 and type a print statement, print add a set of parentheses and str and I'll type here b. Let's check. And this is also not a float, this is a string. So let's type again on here c equal true. It's a boolean and print set of parentheses str and parentheses and I type here c. And this is not also a boolean, this is a string. This is useful when you want to combine numbers with text. For example, I will delete all this and I will write age equal 12 and I put a print statement, print, and on here add a set of double quotes and I type here I am, and on here space and add a plus sign and again add a PS and I will type str set of parentheses and a variable called age, and on here add a space, add a plus mark and add a space and type a set of double quotes, and I type here yes alt. Let's check, and there's one. Wait, we need to put spaces on here. Let's try it. Oh, I am 12 years old, and this 12 is not a integer, it is a string. Let's move to next type. It is int and set of parentheses. It changes values into whole numbers. It can turn a string that looks like a number into an actual number. For example, let's delete this, and let's say we have a variable called num underscore str equal, add a set of double quotes, and I type here 100. In next rule, I make a variable called num equal int, add a set of parentheses, and num underscore str. That's mean our this variable. In next rule, I'll type a print statement, print, add a set of parentheses, and without any double quotes or single quotes, I type num plus 50. Let's check it, and the output is 150. If the string has letters or symbols, int and parentheses will give an error. Let's move to next one. It is float. Float turns values into decimal numbers. For example, let's say we have a variable called a and equal, and I type here 5. And next rule, b equal float, add a set of parentheses, and I type here a. In next rule, I put a print statement, print, add a set of parentheses, and b. Then let's check it. Our output is 5.0 because there's a 0 because this is a float. This is great when working with money, heights, weights, or anything that's not a whole number. Let's move to the last type. It is about booleans. Booleans changes a value into either true or false. Here's how Python sees things. Let's type here print, add a set of parentheses, and type bool and a set of parentheses and 1. And let's copy and paste 3 times. Wait. Okay, on here I'll type 0, and on here I'll type a set of double quotes and hello, and on here I type only a double quotes. Let's check it. And first one is true, what I write on 1. Second one is false because it is 0. Third one is true, it is a string like hello. and last one is false, because so empty things like zero or like this one or none uh, become false and everything else become true. Time for a quick challenge. Pause the video and try to answer this. Comment the answers in the comment section. Question number 1. What does this print? A equal 10, it is a string, and b equal int and set of parentheses between it a and plus 5 and print b. Question number 2. What's the type of str? Add the set of parentheses and 3.5. Last question, question number 3. What will return when I write bool set of parentheses between it set of double quotes? And that's it. You just learned how to use string, integer, float and boolean to change data types in Python. If this helped you, leave a like, subscribe to my channel and share this with your friends. Answer to the questions and comment them. In next video, I will teach you about inputs in Python. Goodbye.